When you talk to most people about their websites, almost everybody has heard of Google Analytics, but almost nobody knows how to use it to grow their recruiting business. It's a real shame because it's a hugely powerful tool when you know what you're doing. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 3 insights you can look for in your own Google Analytics account. The third one is my absolute favorite, as it can be a real game changer for some recruiters. Let's get started by learning how to track your results. If you're investing time and money into a specific marketing channel, it would make sense that you would want to check how it is performing. However, you'd be absolutely shocked at the number of recruiting and staffing agencies that simply have no clue. To track your results, click Acquisition, then All Traffic, and then Channels. Look for the channel that you've been working on and then go from there. For example, if you have spent a lot of time on your SEO, click Organic Search and check out the chart that loads. If you see something like this, congratulate yourself on a job well done. Is your traffic legit? We've noticed that some recruiters get a weekly email sent to them by Google Analytics and get very excited when they see a traffic spike, assuming that something they are doing is working. But is this actually what's going on? Sometimes it's not always what it seems. One place we like to look is referral traffic. From our list of channels, click Referral and check out which sites are sending, or in other words, referring traffic to you. If you see a bunch of nonsense like this, it means that you are not getting actual referral traffic, but what is called referral spam. The reason behind why this happens is a bit complicated, but all you need to know is that real people are not coming to your site. To keep your data clean, you'll need to add a filter, and you can find instructions for how to do that in the description below. Yelp is a very powerful tool, and for that reason, this is easily my favorite tip. Many people use Yelp when looking for a good restaurant, but did you know that people use it to find recruiters too? To see if people are finding your business through Yelp, click Social from your list of channels and check out the results. Hopefully, you'll already see Yelp there and a chart that looks like this. It's from a real staffing agency that gets about 1 new lead each week from Yelp alone. If you don't see Yelp in your list, or there is a much smaller trickle of new users coming to your site from Yelp, you need to work on your Yelp page, a topic we're going to address in our next video. For now, thanks for watching. Send an email to zach@talentheromedia.com with the subject Videos if you have any questions, and subscribe below to find out when the newest video is released.